Hello students, today we are going to discuss about Gnathostomata, that is your pieces. So pieces means fishes, study of pieces is called histology. Rearing of fish management for economic purpose is called as your pisciculture, which is comes under your blue revolution. So fishes are all are aquatic animals. Their body covered by dermal scales and the body divided into head, trunk and tail. They contains pectoral and pelvic girdles. So pectoral pelvic girdle contains your fins, that is pectoral fins and pelvic fins, and dorsal, ventral and caudal fins are present, which helps in locomotion and movement. Their endoskeleton is consist of either bone or cartilage. Those animals contains cartilage upasthi as uh, endoskeleton are called as cartilaginous piece. Example shark. Those animals contains endoskeleton in the form of bone. They are bony fishes. So their body is streamlined, which helps them for proper swimming. Next, you can say their mouth is either ventral or terminal. So bony fishes having terminal mouth, and cartilaginous fish contains ventral fish. And cartilaginous fish are normally predaceous in nature, and you can say alimentary canal is complete, and they respire with the help of gills. That's why branchial respiration is there. And to maintain buoyancy, they contains um, air bladders. Then lateral lines are there, which are, you can say, rheoreceptor. That means they can detect any water vibrations or water currents. So heart is two chamber, consists of one auricle and one ventricle, and excretion takes place by kidney, which is either mesonephric or opisthonephric. They are either ureotelic, example your bony fishes, or uricotelic, or you can say ammonotelic, example your shark-like animals like cartilaginous fishes. Nervous system consists of 10 pairs of cranial nerves. They have well-developed cerebellum and well-developed olfactory lobe, which is the center for smell, and cerebellum is the center for balance and equilibrium. So, ampulla of Lorenzini is present in case of shark, so which acts as your electric receptor. So these are different characteristics we will go through in details. And here we will combine both bony fishes and cartilaginous fishes under this single heading, that is fishes according to CHC syllabus. Fishes means fishes. Histology, study of fishes. Pisciculture, rearing of fish, rearing, management of fish. These are aquatic animals. aquatic animals. These are first member of Granthostomata. Body is streamlined. Next, body divided into head, trunk and tail. Next, epidermal scales are present, such as placoid, cycloid, ctenoid, cosmoid, etc. Pectoral and pelvic fins are present. Dorsal, ventral and caudal fins are present. Next, mouth is ventral or terminal in position, ventral cartilaginous and terminal your bonifacious. See, fishes means fishes. Histology, study of fishes. Pisciculture, rearing, paliva, management of fish for economic purpose, which comes under your blue revolution, which includes rearing of crabs, rearing of prawns, rearing of fishes, etc. These are aquatic animals. Both they are found in you can say freshwater and marine water. These are first members of Gnathostomata having definite jaw, that is upper jaw and lower jaw. Whereas in case of cyclostomes, those are Agnatha. They contains a circular mouth. Whereas here mouth is covered by or mouth is protected by upper and lower jaw. So body is streamlined. Streamlined means narrow anterior end and broad posterior end, which helps them for swimming purpose. And body divided into head, trunk and tail. So epidermal, epi means outer, derma means skin. Outer dermal scales means you can say plate-like structures are there, which are helps them to protect the environmental strain, which includes placoid, cycloid, ctenoid, gynoid, cosmoid, etc. Pectoral means those fins are present in the shoulder regions, are pectoral regions, are pectoral fins, and those are present in the trunk region are pelvic fins, and they help them swimming. And dorsal, ventral, and caudal fins. See, caudal fins helps in direction, change in direction. And if this is the mouth, this is the fish. So in case of bony fishes, you will find mouth is present here, right? But in case of a you can say cartilaginous fish, here mouth is present in this region. So this is terminal position and this is ventral position. So these are the identifying character of Catalan's fish and bony fish. Anyway, next alimentary canal is complete. So few are carnivorous in nature and predaceous in nature. Next, alimentary canal is complete. Next, respiration takes place by gills, air bladder is present in bony fish. Next, gills are covered by upper column. Next, heart is two chamber, that is one auricle and one ventricle. Single circulation of blood takes place. Next, excretion takes place by kidney. Fishes are ammonotelic or ureotelic. Ureotelic. Next, cerebellum and olfactory lobe are developed. Cranial nerves are present in pair. Next, ampulla of Lorenzini. Ampulla of Lorenzini is found in shark. See, alimentary canal is complete means definite structures are present in association with alimentary canal. It contains digestive glands. Respiration takes place by gills. Thus, here branchial respiration takes place to you can say to provide buoyancy, to provide upward thrust. Air bladder is present, which is normally seen in case of bony fishes. Gills are covered by upper column. It is a plate-like structure. Heart is two chamber, that is one auricle, gotiye olinga, gotiye nilaya, and single circulation takes place. That blood passes through the heart once, and excretion takes place by kidney, which may be either you can say mesonephric or opisthonephrine. Fishes are ammonotelic, like certain Atlas fishes and bony fishes aspirates urea. In case of brain, cerebellum is well developed, which is the center for balance and maintaining equilibrium, whereas olfactory lobe, which is meant for you can say meant for center for smell. In association with this, you will find here lateral lines are present. Lateral lines are present, and these lateral lines are contains rheoreceptors. Rheoreceptors. That means they can recognize any change or water current. Then, so as olfactory lobe is well developed, sometimes it is also called as nose brain. 10 cranial nerves are present in pair. So ampulla of Lorenzini found in shark, which is electroreceptor in the nature. And here you will find external nares are present, which here helps in hearing. Then sexual reproduction is common. So sexual dimorphism is seen. Claspers are present in male. Fertilization is external or internal. Next, development, or you can say these are oviparous or viviparous. Certain fishes like Protopterus, Lepidosaran, and Neoceratodus are long fishes. Other members includes your torpedo, shark, Libiorohita, Hilsa, Bombay duck, Latimeria, Dipnoi. Clear? Catla, etc. See, when we consider reproduction, so male and females having certain secondary sex character differentiation. So sexual dimorphism is seen. Clasper, which is a male sex organ, is present in certain cattless fishes. So here, fertilization is either takes place outside the water medium or inside the body. They are either egg-laying animal or young-laying animals. And Protopterus, Lepidosaran, and Neoceratodus, these are the three fishes who contains lungs instead of gills. Its other members includes torpedo, electric ray fish, shark, Scoliodon, Libiorhyncha, rohu, Hilsa, Latimeria, Dipnoi, Catla. So these are all about your fishes, and in next class we will discuss about amphibians.